Yes, sir. How can I help you?
I want to buy a pair of shoes.
Yeah, there is many kinds of shoes. What kind do you like, sir?
I like to shoes in English type.
Yeah, here it is.
Can I try it on?
Yeah, please try it.
It is too tight for
I
me.
think they will suit you, sir.
It is too tight for me.
Okay, sir. Here is another pair.
Can I try it on?
Yes, sir. Try it.
It is sweet for me. Okay, I will buy it. It is all, and I will buy it.
Do you want to buy anything else, sir?
Yes, I have the t-shirt. I want to buy a new t-shirt.
Yeah, there are many kinds of t-shirts. Take a look, sir. What color do you need, sir?
I need a black color in a medium size.
I'm afraid, sir, that we have no black t-shirt in this size, but we have blue one in this size. Do you want to try it?
Yeah, I want to try it.
Take this, sir.
Yeah, it is a sweet for me. But how much they cost?
They will cost just 2,500 taka.
That's enough. Is there any discount?
Sorry, sir. There is no discount.
Okay, take the money and pack it.
Thank you, sir. You are welcome again.
You are most welcome.